Next is the installation of the stand. Put the left and right side frames up first. Then put the table on top. Find the screws in the carton with the wheels. This flathead screw is installed to the table. This pointed screw is mounted on the shelf. Find a set of hexagonal tools from the toolbox. Take out the 4mm inner hexagon. After all the screws on the table are screwed, and tighten them together at the end. Then turn the shelf over. Take out the 5mm inner hexagon and pointed head screws. Then install the back plates. Do not tighten the screws. Next, install the lower plates. After tightening all the screws, tighten all the screws together. When screwing, you can hold the middle of the lower plate with your hand. Next, install the bottom wheels. The screws for mounting the wheels are put together with the wheels. The tool is also a 5mm inner hexagon. Tighten all the screws. Turn the shelf over. The shelf is assembled.